Section 1, Part 8, Paradise and Hell. إذا وقعت الواقعة ليس لوقعتها كاذبة خفضة رافعة إذا رجت الأرض رجا وبست الجبال باسا فكانت هباء منبثا وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثة فأصحاب الميمنة وأصحاب الميمنة وأصحاب المشأمة وأصحاب المشأمة والسابقون سابقون أولئك المقربون في جنات النعيم ثلة من الأولين وقليل من الآخرين على سرور موضونة متكئين عليها متقابلين يطوف عليهم ولدة مخلدون بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من ماء لا يصدعون عنها والله. So, Paradise of Hell, Surah 656, ayat 1 to 56. Are we going to read the whole chapter? When the event happens, which cannot be denied, it will obey some and exalt the others. When the earth shall shake with a terrible quaking, and the mountains shall disintegrate and become like dust dispersed, ye shall be divided into three sorts: those of the right hand, oh, those of the right hand, those of the left hand, oh, those of the left hand, and those who, having been the foremost in engaging in good works, shall be the foremost. Literally, the foremost shall be the foremost. These are they who shall be nearest to God in the gardens of delight. The representatives of past generations will be many, whereas those of future generations will be few in number. Reclining face to face on couches adorned with gold and jewels, eternal youths shall go around them with yunazafun wafakihatin mimma yatakiyarun walahme khayrin mimma yashtahun wahurun in ka amthalil luluwil maknun jazaan bima kanu ya'amalun la yasma'una fiha langwan wala nathima illa qilan salama wa ashabul yamin ma ashabul yamin fi sidrin makdud wa ta'in mandud wa zilin mamdud wa ma'in maskub wa fakihatin kathiratin la maqtu'atin wa la mamnu'a wa furushin marfu'atin inna anshanahunna Isha Faja'alna Huna Abkaran Marban Atraba Leshabil Yamine Thulatun Minal Awalin Wathulatun Minal Akhirin Wa Ashabul Shimale Ma Ashabul Shimal, goblets and ewers and cups of an exquisite beverage, which will not upset them, nor dull their senses, fruits as they desire, and luscious flesh of fowls, and large-eyed houris. They're you can clearly see them. They're not hiding internally. It's similar to the ancient Egyptian her, where we get our word Horus from, but Haurim. Okay, that's the plural. Like hidden pearls will be the reward of what they have done. They shall bear in those gardens no idol or sin-inciting speech, but only the words, peace, peace. Those of the right, oh, those of the right, they will live amid thornless shrubs and rows of acacias in their everlasting shade by the side of running water, with fruits in abundance, never failing nor forbidden, and beds upraised will be at their disposal. We have created perfect rain and made them virgins loving of equal age with those right, to whom they are assigned, among whom will be representatives of past generations and generations to come. Those at the left, oh, those at the left, they shall be in a burning wind, have not. Fi Samumin Wahamim Waslin Minna Yahmum Labar Rid Wala Karim Innahum Kanu Qabla Dhalaka Mutrafin Wakanu Yusiruna Alal Hinthil Al-Slaim Wakanu Yaquluna A'idha Mitna Wakuna Nuraban Wa'izaman Athinna La Mab'uthun Awa Aba'unal Awalun Qul Inna Awalina Wal Akhirin Lam Made Shu Mu'una Illa Miqate Yawm Ma'alum Thuma Innakum Ayuha Dalunal Mukadibun Lakiluhu Min Jarin Min Zakum Famaleuna Minhal Butun Fasharebu Alayhi Minnal Hamim Fasharebuna Shurbalhim Hadanuzulhum Yalmadin, but boiling water, and shall remain in the shade of a pitchy smoke, bringing neither coolness nor boon. They lived ere in this influence and persisting in the greatest sin. They used to say, when we are dead and have become dust and bone, shall we be raised like our fathers, our forebears say. The representatives of past generations and of future generations shall be gathered together at the appointed moment, a well-known day, literally the day of resurrection. As for you who err and deny, you shall eat of the zakum tree, it's a stifling, you can't swallow, tree, and fill your bellies with it, and then you will drink boiling water as they drink thirsty camels. This is what awaits them on the day of judgment. And